Hi, M5775. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Christine Joy Dumont, 26 of age. I am single parent of 3 children, ages 9, 5, and 4. I am a Roman Catholic and I am undergraduate of college. I have 2 years of experience here in the Philippines. I serve 2 couple and a 1 3-year-old boy. My duties and responsibilities to them is cooking, cleaning, do marketing, and ironing.
Okay. Since I don't have or I don't see any taking care of a newborn, but it is okay to you to take care of a newborn.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby, right?
Yes, sir.
Because you have three children, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which is the two daughter and 9 years old, two son and one daughter of 9 years old, right?
Yes, sir.
You are the one who took care of them since birth.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you know how to take care of a newborn, right? Okay. Um, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family financially, and I will provide my kids. They need to go to school, sir.
Okay, and how long do you want to work?
2 years, sir.
Okay, 2 years. If your employer wants you to extend your contract, it is okay to you to extend.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare a Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
I will watch YouTube, and I will read the book, and I will watch Madam and Sir how to cook, prepare Chinese food.
Okay, you will watch your madam and sir, and you could also help them how do they prepare so that you could learn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is okay to you to color your hair into black because it's a blonde hair, right?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut it into short.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing jobs or the helper?
Yes, sir.
Sharing room with kids.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any idea how to take care of an elderly?
No, sir.
But it is okay to you to learn.
Yes, sir.
And it is okay to you to take care of an elderly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as a household helper because I am honest, trustworthy, and hardworking. Thank you, Mom and Sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Christine. Thank you.
Thank you.